Dear customer, we thank you for purchasing Sonibeast from Biospec Products. As you know that UNIGENETICS Instruments is a sole distributor for Biospec Products in India since 2007, and now we are running in 2021. This is a new introduction from Biospec, and we are pleased to convey that this is a patent of Biospec products. So this is a very simple plug and play machine. Still we are trying to give a small demo of the operation so that once the machine comes to you, it becomes easier for you to run the machine. Though this is a plug and play very simple machine. So once you get the machine, please make sure that this is a 230 volt machine, because this machine comes in 110 volts also, and this is the main power plug. So just put the power on, and on the front you will see that again one off on switch is there. So this is the main power, and this is the pulse mode, this is the timer mode, and this is the timer. The timer is in seconds. So you can give 0.5 seconds, 2, 5, 10, 20, 40 and 60 seconds. Biospec claims that whatever lysing you do in earlier mini bead beaters like mini bead beater 1, mini bead beater plus, mini bead beater 16 or mini bead beater 24 or mini bead beater 96, in this one the lysing time reduces. And the reason is that the speed or the oscillations per minute in this machine is very high. That is close to 21,000 oscillations per minute. And in this machine the movement of your sample is also very different, and this is more or less a vibratory movement. So we will see that how to run the machine. So in this machine you can see that on the outer side there are 12 slots, and in the middle there are 3 slots open and 3 are blocked. So on the outer ring or outer side we can push, or we can put 0.6 ml, 12 vials of 0.6 ml, and inside we should not put more than 3 vials of 2 ml. And whenever you will put the sample, make sure that this is balanced. Like if you want to run 2 samples, put 1 sample here and 1 sample at the cross. Or if you have to run only 1 sample, make sure that you put on the other side some empty vial. So just to give you a hint, to show you how it works, see the motion of this is very much different than the earlier one. I am giving a pulse. In the pulse mode, it just runs for very small time, maybe 2-3 seconds. So I'm giving a pulse. You see the motion? It's very different. It's more or less vibratory type. And here I am giving a timer to show you. This timer I am giving for 5 seconds. So this machine makes some sound also. Please keep it in mind. So this is our 0.6 ml vials, and we will be using only 1 vial at this point, and the other vial we have filled it empty. So in 2 ml vial our sample volume was 400 milligram. So accordingly in this 0.6 ml vial our sample volume could be maximum 120 milligram, not more than that. And to run the sample, ideally don't put more than 120 milligram of your sample, then your extraction buffer, and then beads. Beads can be, ideally it should be 50%, but as per the sample it can be a little bit less or more. So the more will be bead, the more will be heating, and the less will be your lysing time. So I'm just putting, and if you want to see how these vials are very different, and this has a double protection. This is the cap, and then you will see that this is a lock. So the cap of the 0.6 ml vial is locked. So I'm putting this just to show that how it works. So here 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So these two are balanced. So if you will see how it works, just have a look at the bottom and see how it lies. I'm giving a very small, maybe let's say give a 10-second run. So as you can see that we have loaded 2 vials of 6.6 ml. The second vial is basically to balance. So what I'm doing here is I have kept the timer setting at 5 seconds only, and I will press the timer. So you can see that the motion is very different. It's almost like a vibrational motion at 21,000 oscillations per minute. So that is why Biospec claims that the lysing time reduces significantly. So we do hope that this video will help you to run the machine first time once it comes to your lab, and in case you have any queries, please do let us know and contact UNIGENETICS. Thank you so much.